The influence of IT in CG implementation through independent or group assignment by group ed with myself Nida and my two friends are Aulita and Sylvie. So, IT governance defined. IT governance is a framework that ensure information technology aligned with organization strategic goal, making IT a business enabler rather than a burden. In the digital era, this governance is crucial for managing risks such as data breaches or project failures, while also increasing the transparency expanded by stakeholders. Its five main drivers include: first, the full suite of a competitive advance through IT innovation. Second, global regulatory pressures such as OECD standard. Third, compliance with data privacy law, e.g. GDPR. Fourth, increasingly complex cybersecurity threats. And five, aligning IT project with business strategy to ensure technology investment deliver maximum value. With IT governance, companies not only surprise but also become leader in a dynamic market. Next, the information economic and intellectual capital. The modern economy has shifted from manufacturing to being knowledge-based, where 17% of workers in development countries are knowledge workers, such as programmer or tech-driven farmer. Its five key characteristics include: first, knowledge sharing driven innovation, e.g. open source startup. Second, boundaries of location and time fed through virtual organization like US companies manufacturing in China with service provided from India. Third, national regulation are hard enforced as knowledge moved to low-tax countries. Fourth, knowledge-based products like software hold premium value. And five, documented knowledge such as patent become more valuable. The main assets now are intellectual capital, human resource knowledge, and organizational structure whose valuation is reflected in the gap between market value and physical asset, e.g. 18% of Google value comes from employee expertise. Here, IT governance play a crucial role in managing this intangible asset, ensuring continuous innovation and data protection in the digital era. Next, competitiveness. In the digital era, IT strategy is investment for competitive advantage. Rapid innovation like AI and cloud computing have propelled companies like Amazon to the forefront. Yet, innovation IT can backfire. Competitors refer to this group type thanks a creative discussion such as Netflix versus Blockbuster, which forces companies to adopt to or become obsolete. IT transformation enables SMS to go global via e-commerce, but still requires a solid business strategy. Measures include service downtime, leading to customer loss, and IT over spending without clear ROI. The solution lies in balancing innovation with proportional budget allocation and risk mitigation through backup system and rigorous audit. With this approach, IT become not just a survival tools but a weapon to win in competition. Next, enterprise risk management. Enterprise risk management (ERM) is a structured process for identifying, assessing, and addressing risk holistically, from simple activities like value study anticipating extreme weather to complex decisions such as company acquisition analyzing hidden debts. Its main steps include: first, risk identification, e.g. data security threats in tech companies. Second, holding risk using four options: accept minor risk, control via IT backup, eliminated by avoiding a risk market, or transfer through insurance. The key to successful ERM, the alignment with a business strategy. For instance, fintech startup prioritizing cybersecurity with ERM companies not only mitigate losses but also optimize opportunity from innovation. Next, IT risk management. IT risk management is the process of identifying and managing information technology risks such as cyber attack or data breaches, which can have a widespread impact on a company. For the four main service area include first, infrastructure security, e.g. ransomware attacks like WannaCry. Second, data integrity, complying with GDPR or local data protection law to safeguard customer data. Third, business continuity, e.g. server backup to anticipate disaster. And fourth, IT management, avoiding failure like faulty ERP system implementation. The impact is not just technical. A data breach like Facebook in the 2090 can damage reputation and stock value. The solution is integrating its risk management with ERM for the holistic evaluation and aligning it with the IT governance to ensure technology strategy support business goals. This is why companies minimize losses and maximum stakeholder trust. Next, complaint risk. Complaint risk is the risk arising from non-compliance with a law or regulation related to data privacy or operations, such as multi-billion rupiah fines for violating data protection law like Indonesia PDP law or the GDPR. Its complexity stems from overlapping global regulation, e.g. multinational must comply with GDPR in Europe, SOX in the US, and PDP law in Indonesia, often without clear technical guidelines. The impact isn't only financial, e.g. Amazon 746 million euro fine in 2021, but also reputational, as seen in Facebook data breach that eroded public trust. Complaints of frameworks such as the UK Combined Code Annual Risk Evaluations and SOX internal certification by CEO or CFO, often structural solution reinforced by IT governance through data and and regular audit. With these, companies can avoid a regular storm and stay focused on the business growth. Next, project governance. Project governance is a broader level oversight to ensure IT projects align with a business strategy, such as ERP initiatives aimed at operational efficiency. A critical fact: only 60% of the IT projects are complete on time. Extend this group, while 18% of company assets are no digital project. Failure can wipe out a company value. As seen in the UK, NHC project will lose 10 billion due to poor governance. The main causes are not technical, but rather weak budget evaluation and lack of board engagement. Today, shareholders demand transparency and IT investment to project digital asset. The solution include first, aligning project with business goals, e.g. AI for customer service. Second, regularly reviewing assumption and budget. Third, integrating risk management to anticipate regulatory change. With this, IT project become engine of innovation, not liability.
Next is the material about what is in an IT governance framework. The IT governance framework consists of 8 interrelated key decisions. First, we start from the principles and hierarchy of decision making, namely the basic rules on how IT is managed and used to support business goals. Then, information and ICT strategies are created to answer the company's information needs. After that, IT risks must be managed so as not to disrupt operation. We also need to organize business application from selection to management. Next, the ICT architecture is designed so that the system can be integrated and run according to standard. IT infrastructure such as hardware and networks must also be managed and can be outsourced if necessary. To support all of this, IT investment and project must be prioritized and managed properly for maximum result. Finally, aspects of compliance and information security are important so that company data remains safe and in accordance with the law. Next, IT Steering Committee role and structure. The IT Steering Committee is formed because IT is very important but often poorly understood by the board. Unlike other functions, IT requires special oversight because it is high risk and involves a lot of investment. This committee is tasked with setting the direction of IT governance, strategy, and managing IT risks and projects. Although similar to the audit committee in terms of oversight, its function is still different. Its structure is led by an independent chair with members such as the CEO, CFO, CIO, and heads of strategy division. The CIO has a role equivalent to the CFO and is responsible for IT operation. The committee must be critical, transparent, free of technical jargon, and supported by external advisors so that IT decisions are right and accurate. The next material is about the company's IT Architecture Committee. The IT Architecture Committee is tasked with ensuring that systems, applications, and data in the company run in an integrated and efficient manner. This IT architecture must support business strategy while paying attention to security, compliance, and risk. The committee is also responsible for overseeing that all technology development and use remain in accordance with standards and rejecting the use of non-standard systems if they have not been adjusted to the existing architecture. This committee is led by the chief architect and consists of business representative, system manager, security, infrastructure, and risk manager who have a deep understanding of the company's IT structure. Next is IT audit. IT audits are important because IT oversight is not enough if it only relies on financial control. Therefore, IT audits must be part of the board's attention through the IT committee or audit. The main focus is to check whether IT is compliant with regulation, information is secure, projects are running according to plan, and the staff managing IT are truly competent. The goal is clear: to provide assurance to the board that IT governance is running well, and if there is a problem, it can be identified quickly. But most importantly, this audit must be carried out by IT auditors who are experts and work according to organization governance framework, not just using external standards. We have also summarized the article entitled Digital Transformation of Corporate Governance. And as presented in the slide, digital transformation in corporate governance is the renewal of corporate governance process with digital technology for efficiency and transparency. The benefits include time and cost savings, online participation, and conflict management. However, the challenges are high cost, unprepared human resource, and risks such as cyber attack and corporate blackmail. Implementation requires a strategic vision, the role of the CIO, a team of experts, and the right technology. Companies can choose software such as ProfHub or Bitrix 24, either buy ready to use or make it yourself according to needs. Finally, strengthening digital law and security is very important to maintain the sustainability of the system. Thus, the explanation of IT governance and how the influence of information technology is very important in the implementation of corporate governance. Hopefully, this material can increase our understanding of the strategic role of IT in building effective and modern corporate governance. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.